kids should not come before your woman. And this might sting a little bit. Yes, I've said it. Because choosing the woman, you might be spending a lifetime with her. And it will be one of the biggest decisions you'll ever have to make. And it should be the best. And I'm not talking about a wedding, a ring, or a piece of paper. If you have chosen each other for life, that is what matters. She should choose you above everyone else, and you should do the same. Even when the kids come along, they tend to squeeze in between, but you should close that gap and support each other still. Because you were together before them and will be after them, you should raise them, love them, cherish them, and protect them at all costs. But eventually let them go so that they can go and build their own lives. And when they leave, you two will still be standing there together. So choose carefully and keep choosing each other on a daily basis.
Waar de hel het jij gedaan? Pak een pleister, pak een zoen.